My favorite grandparents is Grandma Bunny and Grandpa Bird.
Do you remember when Grandma Bunny came on a train?
Yeah, then I will be so happy. Grandma Bunny comes on a train and we wait for Grandma Bunny while she's on the train and she will come on our car. Then we'll drive home. Thank you for letting me ride around in the forklift. And thank you for showing me how the forklift works. Hey, give me my orchard. I love Grandpa Bird. We made bracelets and necklaces and then ate them because they were made out of candy. I remember that you had like this big, like this other like house-like thing that you stored some things in. I remember there were rides in it. What Grandma stay is that when she comes?
Where does Grandma Bunny stay when she comes?
At her home.
That's right.
So, not drive away.
She doesn't drive away.
She doesn't drive away when she comes. She comes to visit us. Grandma Bunny comes to visit us. I like to get Grandma Bunny very hot. Grandma Bunny comes in the car and she comes on the plane. I like to get Grandma Bunny the top. I like to get Grandma Bunny before we go. I like that Grandpa Bird came to my baptism. Nicole, do you want to say something? Yeah. It's better to have a good time with Grandpa and Grandma Bunny Whopper. I like that Grandma Bunny comes to our house the most. One time when we were at your house, we were scaring Uncle Brian and we tricked him that there was a tiger.
You did?
And he was like, and we were like, waving around leafy sticks to feel like it's a tiger scratching on his back. Grandpa Bunny, Grandpa Bird are not at here.
They're not at here, that's right.
Thank you, Grandma Bunny, for reading stories with me. When Grandma Bunny comes, I'll hug her and she'll stay here.
You will hug her and then she will stay here?
Yeah. Then I will be happy.
Grandma Bunny will see you and you will be happy?
Yeah. I like to work in the garden with Grandpa Bird. One time I was playing in the snow at Grandma Bunny's house and I ran through the snow. Last day we had him. Last day we had Grandma Bunny.
Last day we had Grandma Bunny.
After Saturday we had Grandma Bunny. No, after Tuesday we had him. No, after Wednesday we had him. No, after Friday we had him. No, after Saturday we had him. I like when we went to parks together. I like Grandma Bunny. I like to give Grandma Bird a big test. Because they're nice. Grandma Bunny likes salad. What we go to the park with?
Who do we go to the park with?
Grandpa Bird.
We did go to the park with Grandpa Bird.
Grandpa Bird is silly. Grandma putting blackberries is Grandma Bunny that was doing it. The first. It was Grandma Bunny doing it with us.
That's right. Grandma Bunny picked blackberries with us.
Yeah.
Tell me.
And we made a blackberry jam.
We made blackberry jam and it was so yummy on toast.
Grandma Bunny funny. Grandma Bunny is a wonderful grandma. And Grandma Bunny sometimes plays games with me when she visits us, like family guessing. Grandma and Grandpa do is sit on the bench at the park, and the girls play at the park. And thank you that you gave me some corn seeds. I remember that it was fun to grow the corn, and also I remember when we went to lots of parks together, and I liked that. Grandma Bunny is teaching me stories. I love Grandma Bunny. I remember camping in your forest. Grandma Bunny is silly. Mom, remember when they gave me like my scriptures? Thank you for giving me my scriptures. Be happy that he comes.
You're happy when Grandma Bunny and Grandpa Bird come?
Yeah. I am happy too.
You're happy too when they come?
Yeah. When Grandma Bunny and Grandpa Bird come, they need a car.
They need a car?
They need a car. No. No, a bicycle.
No, a bicycle? They need a bicycle when they come?
They need a bicycle when they come.
Oh.
Grandpa Bird needs a car when he comes.
Mm-hmm.
And Grandma Bunny needs a bicycle when she comes. No, a car. No, shoes and socks.
Okay.
I remember when Grandpa Bird bought donuts the day before for my baptism. When Grandpa Bird takes, we're happy and I love him.
He was happy and you love him?
Yeah. Grandpa Bird walks me in the forest. Grandma Bunny will never go home. Thank you for all that you've done for me.
We
wish you a Merry Christmas.